Hey, Dad, what are you doing over there? So we decided to let the catfish settle down a bit. Why not come and catch some largemouth while we wait? And this is definitely a good little start. Throwing a Zoom Super Fluke paddle tail again. They love it really good, but not a bad little fish to start. Let's see if we can't catch another one. Get back in the water. Here's little bass. Another little fish. Oh, are you kidding me? Throw it. Little guy. Little guys are fun to catch, man. My bait weighs more than he does. Not big, but they're plentiful. Goes to show you the pond's healthy. Come on, get back. Down. Little short guy. Another little dink.